Hello friends, today I will show you how to make cube in cube pattern in 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So to make cube in cube pattern 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you need to follow some ways. So what are the ways I'm going to tell you at first? At first you have to take a solve cube. Means say I have a solve cube here. A solve cube. So I am going to tell at first the basic notation. I have already tell in my earlier videos. So again, once again, right layer, left layer, L, upper layer, down layer, front layer, back layer, and so on. So to make cube in cube pattern, so at first we have to take the green center in the front and the white center in the top. So after taking, we have to apply the formula. The formula. See one time source in. So green center at the front and white center at the top. So once if U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime B D prime B prime L2 U. So after doing this formula, what a beautiful cube. So you can also do in any 5x5 Rubik's Cube, 4x4 Rubik's Cube, mirror cube, 2x2 Rubik's Cube to make the cube in cube pattern. For example, 5x5 Rubik's Cube, mirror cube, no, and this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The corners have been flipped. So after doing, I think what steps I can do to take this cube back into its original position. So solve position. So to make the solve position in the cube, apply this formula 2 times, and you will get the original solved cube. So I'm going to add white center at the front and green center at the top. So 1 second, let's go. F L F U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime B D prime B prime L2 1 U. Sorry. So no happen changed. So again, F L F U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime B D prime B prime L2 and U. So after doing this formula 2 times, we get the solved cube. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and share it and comment if you don't do. So thank you friends. Let's bye bye.